Hey everyone, it's Matt with my Model Y Adventure, and I've just finished doing some work to the front of my Model Y. I put this new aluminum skid plate on, I'm putting on some new tires, but one of the areas that the factory, Tesla, does not protect very well is this area right here, and directly behind here are some coolant lines. And if a rock comes up or you're hitting something and this is just plastic, it can easily break. And you're gonna have a really bad day where your whole entire potential high voltage battery may need to be replaced. I know there are a number of videos or clips online of people that have these, especially like Rich Rebuild, some other folks where the whole battery had to be taken out, put a new one in because the coolant lines were broken and they're not fixable without disassembling the battery. So I picked up these covers from EV Base. They are super simple to install. There is one bolt for each of them. There are 3 screws that are self-tapping to be able to drill into the plastic. And you're gonna use a stock kind of location to put these on. They're for Model 3, Model Y, Model 3 Highland, Model Y Juniper. Super simple to install. So stay tuned. I'm gonna walk you through how to get these installed on your vehicle. So I'm underneath my Model Y. This is the passenger side. And this is just basically going to go bolt up right up to here. There is a stock bolt, which you need to remove, which is this one right here. It's a 10 millimeter. And then they give you a longer bolt. You can see right there. You need to take this bolt and put it into this spot right here. But you do need to remove that one 10 millimeter bolt in order to access it. Then you have your 3 screws that will go in on the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out this 10 mil, take out this 10 mil, so then we can get this installed. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. That is one 10 mil. I'll keep that one over there. And then this one right here. And take that one out. That one we are not going to use because we're going to use the longer bolt that comes included in the kit. So I'm going to grab this, put this up to here, grab the original bolt that went in right over here. Just going to put that in by hand. And then grab the new bolt that comes in the kit. This is longer. And thread this one in. All right, so let me grab this, go ahead and tighten this one down. Do the same thing on this one. That's not going anywhere. And then you have your 3 screws that I will grab a screwdriver for to be able to put these in to this spot here. But you can see, super easy to install. Literally bolt here and here, remove, and then you're putting in the stock bolt, this bolt here, and then these 3 screws are going to hold it on. The other nice part is obviously you're going to get some water or potential debris down into here. It is vented here, so as water comes through, it has a place to exit. So I have one of the screws here. Just using a screwdriver to put this in. You can see how easy that's going into position. You don't need to crank down on it to get it to secure and hold. Do the same thing with this one. These ratcheting screwdrivers have been a game changer to use. This one is from LTT, Linus Tech Tips, but you of course can pick it up wherever you need. But these are awesome. This one I'm just gonna, there we go. Oop. I was loosening it and done. So, ton of nice protection now with this aluminum on here. Let's do the same thing on the driver's side. little hard with the light right now. There's the hole. Let me grab the other longer bolt. There it is. And let's go ahead and change the socket to tighten. We'll finalize that one after we get this one in. All right, so last thing we got to do is put the screws in. Screw was poking my hand as I was trying to twist it. All right, middle one now. I am right-handed, so trying to do this left-handed, a little more challenging. And then the last screw back there. Let's see, how can I fit my hand through? That looks like a good spot. You know, it's not exactly super bright, but it's just putting one screw in. Done. So I am super happy with this, and I can feel a little bit more comfortable now that I have the coolant line kind of protectors here. Bolt right in, super easy to install. Again, I picked these up from EV Base. Code MyAdventure takes off 20%, which makes these pretty affordable. They got here, I think, within like 2.5, 3 weeks after I ordered them. They've been sitting downstairs as I've been in my basement waiting for a nice day to be able to install these along with the skid plates. So I'll put a link to kind of the skid plate video up above. Hope you found this content helpful.